Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Healthy, organic, naturally flavoursome Greek yogurt coleslaw. There are many types of coleslaw and vegetable sandwich combinations around the globe. This is one of the combinations that I use as a guest always demands and says, I can't stop eating as a dil mange more and more. Vegetables generally used to make a healthy and a tasty coleslaw are cabbage, carrot, lemon juice, capsicum, steamed corn. Optional vegetables that can be used are given above. You can almost use any vegetable you want. And one can chop the vegetable with a knife or grate with a grater, shredder or a mandolin, or as I do, for that superbly tasty and naturally flavoursome coleslaw, add all the vegetables and blend them to a coarse finish. And make sure that you have chopped them into small pieces so that they all blend to a coarse finish. Don't forget any of the essential and the optional vegetables. Add all of them and let's make a little space because the jar is a little small. And when done, red chili flakes or chopped garden fresh green chilies, black pepper, black or any natural salt, brown or any natural sugar, oregano or any Italian seasoning, thyme, basil, mixed herb, anything. I am using oregano and homemade Greek yogurt, not curd. Remove the whey or the water by hanging it in a muslin cloth, cheesecloth, kitchen towel till the water stops to drip. And don't throw this away as it has all the nutrition in it. Refrigerate, do not freeze, and thicken the yogurt. Now add the yogurt to the vegetables as per as your taste. A light whisk and add the juice of 1 lemon. When done, now blend to a coarse finish. This is how it should look like. Do not hang to extract or throw away the water as the water in this contains all the flavors and the nutrients. And refrigerate the coleslaw to be used in a sandwich or as a dip, sauce, dressing, stuffing or as a base. And enjoy and do share with all your known and your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.